was gonna see if she's gonna snore again. Hold on.
Should I catch her down? Her tongue was moving. See, look at
Oh, I'm kidding now. Just be quiet. Let's see if she's gonna do it again. Or snore.
She just did. She did. Ah.
Maya, don't you wake her up. Maya.
I still can see her little tongue.
Maya, wake up.
I don't think she's gonna do anything else.
You never know. Like, right when I stop the video, then she'll start doing something again. That scared me. Oh my god, Kira, you're hilarious. You sleep. That scared me.